Salve discipuli ego sum magistra buddy, and this is the final lesson for Unit 1. Congratulations. Stage 12 will give us 3 complete tenses. Quick review on the present tense. We've got OST, mustis enti. Make sure that you have those memorized. Do whatever it takes to get them memorized. Write them out, chant them. On a verb, for example, we've got mito, mitis, mitit, mitimus, mititis, mitunt. And here's what they look like. Ego mito is I send. But mito by itself would also be I send, because O indicates I. Tu mitis you send. Mons mitit the mountain sends. Nos mitimus we send. Vos mititis you all send. Montes mitiunt the mountains send. All right, complete imperfect tense. We've got bom, bas, bot, bamos, batis, bont. And this looks like mite bom, mite bas, mite bot, mite bamos, mite batis, mite bont. So, ego mite bom is I was sending. Quick note about this M. This shouldn't be too bizarre to see a first person singular, meaning an I verb, ending with an M, because we've seen it before with sum, which means I am. All right, tu mite bas, you were sending. Mons mite bot, the mountain was sending. Nos mite bamus, we were sending. Vos mite batis, you all were sending. Montes mite bont, the mountains were sending. All right, sum est, sumus estis sunt. I am, you are, she, he, it is, we are, you all are, they are. So ego sum mirabilis, I am marvelous. Tu es mirabilis, you are marvelous. Mons est mirabilis, the mountain is marvelous. Nos sumus mirabilis, we are marvelous. Vos estis mirabilis, you all are marvelous. Montes sunt mirabilis, the mountains are marvelous. All right, and here we have the complete imperfect for the irregular verb to be. Eram, eras, erat, eramus, eratus, erant. Again, we've got that M here for the first person singular. So I was marvelous. Tu eras mirabilis, you were marvelous. Mons erat mirabilis, the mountain was marvelous. Nos eramus mirabiles, we were marvelous. Vos eratis mirabiles, you all were marvelous. Montes erant mirabiles, the mountains were marvelous. All right, and now our complete perfect tense endings. E isti it, imus istis erunt. Make sure you have these memorized. On our verb, we've got misi, misisti, misit, misimus, misistis, miserunt. So ego misi would be I sent. Tu misisti, you sent. Mons misit, the mountain sent. Nos misimus, we sent. Vos misistis, you all sent. Montes miserunt, the mountains sent. All right, go ahead and copy down these 5 sentences. If you're looking at an ablative or accusative with a preposition, put it in parentheses. If you're looking at an action verb, put a V over it. A linking verb, put an LV. If you see a nominative, put an S over it. Unless it's going with a linking verb, put it as a subject complement. Accusative, direct object. Dative, most likely your indirect object, unless, of course, there's no other direct object and it's going with a special verb. All right, discipuli, nos sumus Graeci, nos in palestra controversium habemus. In palestra is a prep phrase, so set that aside. Nos is nominative, it's our subject. Sumus is a linking verb. So Graeci, another nominative plural, is our subject complement. Nos, nominative. Controversium, accusative, direct object. Habemus, this is our verb. And the mus here means we. Nos also means we. So we have subject verb agreement here. All right, we are Greeks. We have an argument in the palestra. Vos eratis pictores, pictoras pingebatis. All right, so vos is our subject. Eratis is a linking verb, which means pictores, another nominative plural, is our subject complement. Picturas, accusative plural, that's our direct object. Pingebatis, this is our verb. Because of the tis here, our subject is you all. The BA tells us that it's imperfect. So does the ER right there. So you all were painters. You we're painting pictures. Sumus auctores nos in teatro fabulum agimus. In teatro is a prep phrase, so we're going to set it aside, label everything else. Sumus is a linking verb, and we is the subject. Auctores, that's our subject complement, because it's on the other side of a linking verb. Nos is a subject. Fabulum, direct object, accusative. Agimus, this is our verb. So we are actors. We put on a play in the theater. Vos eratus gladiatores in arena pugnavistis. So we're going to set aside in arena because it's a prep phrase. Vos is our subject. Eratus is a linking verb. Gladiatores, because it's on the other side of a linking verb and it's nominative. We're going to put it as our subject complement. Pugnavitis, this is our verb. The istis here tells us that it is you all as the subject. And we've got a V here. Pugnavistis, the ending plus this tense indicator tells us we're looking at perfect. This is imperfect. So you all were gladiators. You all fought in the arena. Ad palestrum contendimus quod no sumus athletae. Ad palestrum is a prep phrase. We're going to set it aside. We've got a connector here with quad. Contendimus is our verb. The subject is we. There's no stated subject on this half, so let's just go ahead and make a note to ourselves that the subject is we because of the mus. Here we have a subject. We have a nominative. Sumus is a linking verb. We have another nominative plural over here, and because it's on the back side of a linking verb, we're going to mark it as a subject complement. So we hurry to the palestra because we are athletes. All right, Discipuli, remember, as usual, English relies on word order to indicate function. Latin relies on endings to indicate function. Make sure you know your endings, and I will see you in Unit 2. Valete, Discipuli.